Hi all. Okay, we're gonna put a new button in a sunroof. I bought the new one off eBay. It was like I think $31 or something like that. Just one plug. It looks like 2 screws. It goes in that spot. As far as I know, everything works, but this is just loose. You know, so I don't know if just the screws fell out or if the buttons broke. So I'm not sure what has to come out of there. So I'll just start taking out screws till something falls out. Okay. I took 6 small screws out. 1, 2, and then there's one up here, one up there, and then 2 in here. It looks like there's 4 holes, but there's only 2 screws. And then this thing just kind of dropped out. So now I have access to this thing here. And that's what it looks like happened. It's just the plastic. It's just the plastic is broke. Okay, so we'll fiddle with that here. Okay, so it looks like the button itself is fine. Nothing wrong with the button. But the hanger that holds it up there broke. It's got these little things here. So I guess I gotta get out the duct tape. See if I can get that anchored somehow. Okay, so what had happened was these little pieces of plastic broke. See, that's what this goes inside here. This goes inside here and screws into these things. And screws into these things. These broke off. These broke off. So the button was probably still good, but it was just flopping around in there and you couldn't use it. So since I had the new one, I went ahead and put the new one in, and I kind of jimmy rigged this. I just drilled 2 holes and put a couple bolts in it, so it ain't going anywhere now. I thought about coming through the side, putting the screws in the side, and that would have worked for the front. Oh no, it wouldn't, because I got all these. Well, see here, it would have worked for the front. It would have worked for the front, but it would have been a tight fit because that button snaps in there. Let's see here. Yeah, that wouldn't have worked going through the front because that button's a tight fit right on there. I probably could have come through here, but there's no plastic there. See, there's nothing to anchor it there too. So, and then the back, there's really nowhere to anchor it on the back. I'd have had to stick a piece of wood inside here or something. And right behind here, there's the button for this thing here. So I would have had to work around that. So just putting 2 screws in there, it was a nice fast fix. It's nice and strong. I'm not going to worry about it. It's a 20-year-old car. 2002, it's 2018, so you never notice that up there. Okay, I just put 2 little screws in there. I'm going to put a little rubber cement on top of the screws so they don't jiggle loose. Okay, see ya. Okay, so putting this back in should be pretty simple. This plug just plugs into here, and then 6 small screws to hold it up there, or 7. There's that one in the front, but it doesn't look like it was actually going to anything. It's probably just hanging on top of here. I don't see what was going on here. Now I think they got this little thing here fits on top of here so it don't slide out. Came out real easy, fell right out of there. Maybe it goes this way. Yep, see? I told you, it goes in real easy. I lost my screwdriver already. Get out here. Okay. Okay, and then the other part that goes on here, that's still in the house. I'll go get that. Okay, so it works. The only problem is I had to put duct tape on here because the original button wasn't working, and the duct tape it took off the paint. The plastic is almost the same color as the paint, so you can barely tell. Okay, the only thing kind of corny is these 2 screws here. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, so this thing, this cover here, it's got to go underneath. It's got to go underneath this thing here. So I got to loosen this up, slide that in, slide the cover in. Okay, so that top slid in there. Yep, you have to put the top on. And then this goes down over top of those. That holds it in place so the top doesn't fall off. Okay. Okay, see ya.